Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use weapon XP tokens. Now, weapon XP tokens are going to accelerate your weapon progression and they are used in the weapon progression interface. I'm going to show you how you can use them right now, okay? It's very easy. You're just going to have to come to your loadout menu in here. As you can see, we have the different operators. And I'm going to select the weapon that I want to use the tokens for. In my case, it's going to be the Desert Eagle because the rest of them I have max, so I cannot use them. As you can see here, it says actually level 1. Okay, this is level 1. And I want to upgrade it. What am I going to do? I'm just going to click on level 1 here actually. And I'm going to click on upgrade. Okay, as you can see, I have the different tokens that I have. 2025. I'm going to click on upgrade. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select kinda the things that I want to use the tokens for. And this is going to show me how much the level is gonna actually you know increase. If I start putting a lot of tokens, it's gonna increase by level 3 and so on and so on. So here you're gonna have your different weapon tokens that you can use and how many of them you can actually or you want to use. Okay, so just make sure to put as many as you want to level up the weapon to the corresponding level. For example, if I put this kind of gold tokens, if I just put 4 of them, look what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna increase the level to level 6, from level 1 to level 6, which is a lot. Okay, and just click on upgrade and that's gonna be it. You can do the same for every weapon that is not maxed out. Thank you so much.